Struggling to find a toilet that fits perfectly in your small bathroom? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1 is the Clorox Toilet Plunger. Let's kick things off with the Clorox Toilet Plunger. This heavy-duty plunger is designed with a compact size of 6.5 by 19.5 inches, making it perfect for tight bathroom spaces, and it retails for just $13.97. If you want a reliable unclogger that won't take up much room, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The non-skid rubber base means it won't slip around when you're using it, giving you the grip you need at a moment of urgency. Plus, the hideaway holder caddy keeps it out of sight, which is especially important in small bathrooms where every bit of space counts. With over 20,000 units sold last month, it's clear people trust this product to do its job when they need it most. Now, some people complained about the size being too small for some clogs. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with regular household clogs, this plunger is more than up to the task. It's not meant for every situation, but for your average bathroom use, it's a solid buy. This is perfect for you if you want a discreet, effective solution for clogs without sacrificing space. Skip this one if you have heavy-duty clogging issues that require a more industrial-sized tool. At under $14, it's a great value for your bathroom. Now, if the compact size of the Clorox plunger bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach with a little extra comfort in mind. Product number 2, Squatty Potty Stool. The Squatty Potty Simple Curve Bathroom Toilet Stool, priced at $22.99. What caught my attention here is its unique design aimed at making your bathroom experience more comfortable. If you want to improve your posture while using the toilet, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7-inch height elevates your legs, allowing for a more natural squatting position that helps with easier bowel movements. This can be especially helpful if you're dealing with constipation or other digestive issues. With over 10,000 sold last month, this stool has a lot of fans who appreciate its health benefits. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky if your bathroom is extra tight on space. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for a minimalist approach, this stool might feel a bit intrusive, but if comfort is your priority, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your bathroom experience and have a bit of extra room. Skip this one if you're already cramped and need to prioritize essentials. At under $25, it's a small price to pay for a potential improvement in your bathroom routine. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for adding a touch of luxury to your small space. Product number 3, Lux Bidet Neo 120. Let's talk about the Lux Bidet Neo 120, which retails for $33.99. This is a non-electric bidet attachment that caught my eye for its ability to enhance hygiene without taking up much space. If you want to keep things clean and comfortable in your small bathroom, this is worth a serious look. What's cool about this product is that it features adjustable water pressure and a self-cleaning nozzle, which means you can customize your experience. This can reduce the amount of toilet paper you use, which is great for the environment and your wallet. With over 10,000 sold last month, it's clear that many people are making the switch to bidets for their convenience. Now, some users have mentioned it can be tricky to install if you're not handy. Here's the thing, if you're comfortable with basic tools, it's a straightforward setup, but if you have zero experience, you might need a friend to help you out. This is perfect for you if you want a cleaner, more eco-friendly bathroom experience and have a bit of time for installation. Skip this one if you aren't comfortable with DIY projects or don't have a suitable toilet setup. At just under $35, you're investing in cleanliness. Now, if installation concerns you, the next product on my list might just take the hassle out of things. Product number 4, the Clorox Under Rim Toilet Bowl Brush, which is priced at $9.79. This one caught my attention with its corner storage caddy that fits perfectly in tight spaces. If you need a reliable cleaning tool that won't overwhelm your small bathroom, this is worth a serious look. This brush is designed to reach under the rim and get those hard-to-reach spots, which is crucial in keeping your toilet fresh. The compact design means it won't take up a lot of space, and with over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice for people in small apartments. However, some users mention that the bristles can wear out faster than expected. Here's the thing, while you may need to replace it more often, the low price makes it easy to keep a fresh one on hand. It's not going to break the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective cleaning tool that fits into a small space. Skip this one if you're looking for something that will last for years without replacement. At under $10, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice. Now, if you're looking for something that combines style and function, wait until you hear about the next product.
Product number 5, the Kohler Cachet Toilet Seat. We have the Kohler 4636-RL-0 Cachet Ready Latch Elongated Toilet Seat that's designed for comfort and quiet use. While I couldn't find a price listed, it's known for being a bit more of an investment. If you want a stylish and functional toilet seat that won't slam shut, this is worth a serious look. What sets this seat apart is its slow close feature, which prevents those annoying loud bangs that can wake up the whole house. Plus, the grip-tight bumpers keep it securely in place, which is essential for a stable seat. With over 10,000 sold last month, people appreciate the combination of comfort and functionality. On the downside, some users have said that it might not fit all toilet models perfectly. Here's the thing, it's essential to check your toilet measurements before purchasing to avoid disappointment. If you do, you'll likely be very satisfied. This is perfect for you if you want a durable and quiet toilet seat that enhances your bathroom's look. Skip this one if you have a non-standard toilet size that might not accommodate it. While it may be pricier, the quality and comfort are worth the investment. Now, let me break down these 5 products for you and help you find the best fit for your small bathroom. So there you have it, 5 great options for small bathrooms. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Luxe Bidet Neo 120 because it offers both cleanliness and eco-friendliness without taking up much space. On the other hand, I'd avoid the Kohler Cachet toilet seat if you have a non-standard toilet size. It might just be a hassle. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.